Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of starting your day with a muesli breakfast. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to make muesli a regular part of your morning routine. Let's get started. So, what exactly is muesli? Muesli is a nutritious blend of rolled oats, dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. Unlike sugary cereals, it's a wholesome and natural option that packs a powerful health punch. First up, muesli is rich in fiber. The oats and seeds are fantastic sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber. This means muesli helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and can prevent constipation. Plus, fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, which is great for managing your weight. Next, muesli is packed with essential nutrients. The nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining strong bones, boosting your immune system, and keeping your energy levels high throughout the day. Did you know muesli is great for your heart? The oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. Plus, the nuts and seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, muesli can be your best friend. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling satisfied, reducing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods between meals. Remember, portion control is key. Stick to about half a cup of muesli and add plenty of fresh fruits for a balanced meal. One of the best things about muesli is how versatile and customizable it is. You can mix it with milk, yogurt, or even juice. Add your favorite fruits, a dollop of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget, muesli is incredibly easy to prepare. You can make it the night before as overnight muesli or quickly whip it up in the morning. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need a nutritious breakfast without the hassle. So, there you have it, the amazing benefits of muesli breakfast for your health. It's nutritious, delicious, and a fantastic way to start your day. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy your muesli. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.